Stop pouring random cleaners into your robot vacuum water tank. Regular floor cleaners is not always safe. For robot vacuums, disinfectant is not always safe either. Why? Because a robot vacuum has a small water tank, pump, tubes, filters, and seals, and mop eyes. Too much foam and residue can clog the system. Strong chemicals can damage parts, cause leaks, or leave streaks on your floor. And here's the biggest mistake. A robot vacuum usually does not disinfect your floor. Disinfectants need the right concentration and enough weight contact time. Most robot vacuums wipe and move on. That's cleaning, not real disinfection. So what should you use? Use clean water or a low-foam robot vacuum cleaning solution made for mopping system. Follow the dilution instructions. Do not mix products. Do not add bleach, alcohol, vinegar, essential oils, or household disinfectant. Unless the manual clearly allows it, your robot vacuums is not a chemical mixing tank. Use the right solution and it will clean better and last longer.